Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be taking 10 revision questions for grade 5. And we're going to be solving it one after the other. So let's look at the questions first before we start solving. Number 1, list all the factors of 48 without missing anyone. Number 2, write 128 as a product of its prime factors in index form. Number 3, write 288,911 in words. Notice I didn't call that number using its place values. No, I didn't. So we can learn how to write our numbers in words. So I'll explain that. Number 4, what is the place value of 4 in 453078? Again, I didn't call that number with its place values. Now, let's go to number 5. Number 5, write the year you were born in Roman numerals. Number 6, CMLXVII plus MCCIX. Number 7, what is the difference between 76,000 and 30,954? Number 8, 3,945 plus 863 plus 29. Number 9, 148 times 29. Number 10, 8,215 divided by 5. Here are our 10 questions. So let's dig into it. All right. Number 1, list all factors of 48. I'm going to be using a method called multiplication U method. We're going to find all the factors of 48 by finding two numbers we can multiply to give us 48, because multiplication is the inverse of division. And what are factors? Factors are numbers that can divide 48 without a remainder. So since division and multiplication are inversely related, we're going to be using multiplication method. So we start with 1 because 1 is a factor of all numbers. So let's start with 1. 1 times what will give me 48? It's 1 times 48. 1 times 48. 48 is an even number, so 2 can divide. So I'm going to find 2 times what will give me 48. So let's go. 2 times, if I can't remember that 2 times 24 gives me 48, all I need to do is divide 48 by 2. 2 times 24 gives me 48. Now, the next number after 2 is 3, because I need to go in a sequential order so I don't miss out any factor. So let's go. Can 3 go in 48? I'll check. There's a divisibility rule for 3 that says if I sum these two numbers together and my result is divisible by 3, then 48 is divisible by 3. So let's go. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is exactly 4. So that means it can go. So I go 3 times. So if I don't remember that 3 times 16 is 48, all I need to do is divide 48 by 3. So 3 times 16 gives me 48. Now I'm in 4. Number 4. 4 times what gives me 48, you know. 4 times 4 here 1, 4 in 8 is 2, so it's 4 times 12. Now I check 5. Can 5 go in 48? No, it can't, because the divisibility rule for 5 says it must end with 0 or 5. 48 does not fit into that, so I'll go 48. 5 can go, so I'll try 6. Can 6 go in 48? Yes, it can. 8 times. So I go 6 times 8. Next is 7. I'll ask myself, can 7 go in 48? No, it can't. Only 42. So 7 cannot go. I ask myself, after 7 is what? 8. 8 is already here. As soon as you get to a number that is already written as one of the factors, then you know you are done. So all you need to do is draw your U method. Here comes the name multiplication U method. It means you list out the numbers from 1 all the way to 48, because it says list all factors. Let's go. Factors of 48 equals, I'll start from 1. 1, put a comma. 2, I'm listing. The next one is 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. Can you see? I'm going all the way. U. 12, 16, 24, and 48. Done. Without missing any factor. If you're still watching, I want to say a big thank you for sticking around. Please watch to the end. Number 2, write 128 as a product of its prime factors. We already know what factors are, but note the word prime. Prime factors are factors that are prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that have only 2 factors, which are 1 and itself. The first and only even prime number is 2, followed by 3, then 5, then 7, and so on. So the factors you're going to multiply, because product means multiplication. The factors you're going to multiply must be prime numbers. How do you do that? You draw a very long line so you can start dividing by prime numbers. To your right, write 128. 128 is an even number, so you can start with 2. 2 can divide 128. 12 divided by 2, 6. 8 divided by 2, 4. I have 64, another even number. 2 can go. 6 divided by 2, 3. 4 divided by 2, 2. 32, another even number. 2 can go. 3 divided by 2 is 1. I'm left with 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Another even number. 2 can go. 16 divided by 2, 8. Another even number. 2 can go. 8 divided by 2, 4. Another even number. 2 can go. 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Another even number. 2 can go. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now I am done. As soon as I get to 1, I know I am done. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Product of its prime factors. All right, so let's go. My final answer will be, not final, sorry, because there's the word index form, will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I'll make sure there are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see? One more to go. Times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Now, in index form means you should leave your answers as exponents. So let's go. That's 2. How many times? 7 times. You see? 2 raised to the power of 7 is my final answer. We have come to the end of part 1, grade 5 revision questions. Watch out for part 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notification so you don't miss any math video. See you in my next video.